Before my presentation, I will give a brief presentation of Mr. Ram Sagre. He is not able to attend this program today. Mr. Ram Sagre is Vice President of Quality Assurance and Systems for Baramati Agro. And his topic is Introduction to Molasses Quality Assessment and Finance. Quality is never an accident. It is always the result of intelligent effort. Quality is being maintained through a set of standards in a sequence. The analytical method contains WAM principles, fit for purpose, choice of method, method development and validation, method performance characteristics and method validation. Valid analytical measurement WAM. The aim of WAM program is to help analyzing laboratories to demonstrate the validity of the method and to facilitate mutual recognition of the results of analytical measurements. There are 6 WAM principles. Analytical measurements should be made to satisfy an agreed requirement. Analytical measurements should be made using methods and equipments which have been tested to ensure they are fit for their purpose. Staff making analytical measurement should be both qualified and competent to undertake the tasks. There should be a regular independent assessment of technical performance of the laboratory. Analytical measurement made in one location should be consistent with those elsewhere also. And organizations making analytical measurements should have well-defined quality control and quality assurance procedures. Method validation is to prove that the method can be successful to your laboratory, equipment, and personnel. In any field of analysis, these are method performance characteristics: sensitivity, precision, accuracy, limit of detection, limit of determination, bias, selectivity, linear range, and dynamic range. The dictionary definition of both accuracy and precision are same, indicating that these words may be used synonymously. However, in analytical science, they have 2 separate meanings. Difference between them is best illustrated by using these target diagrams. This is poor precision and poor accuracy, good precision and poor accuracy. And at Baramati Agro, they have conducted proficiency analysis of various molasses samples by sending same samples to different laboratories. And what they found that different laboratories, they are giving different types of results. 4 laboratories in failing factor also there was difference. Then percent TRS was also different, differing from 50.20 to 52.56. And they have also calculated the standard deviation, and they found that the results of the laboratory, they are not consistent. Then they also conducted one proficiency testing of their analysts. In their sugar and distillery units, about 28 analysts they are working. They gave same samples to 28 different analysts, and they found that a wide variation in the results reported by these analysts. You can say that out of 28 analysts, almost 46.43% analysts they failed in their results. Only 9 plus 6, 15 analysts they submitted their results satisfactorily. So, what are the reasons for this variation in the results? According to Mr. Sagre, the sampling from the process, their variable production flow or run, then temperature and sampling time, then input crop area for milling, then balance stock in storage tank. They don't know the quality of the molasses remaining in the storage tank. Then sampling from storage tank, circulation process, then formation of channel while circulation because of the high thickness of the molasses. Then sampling point, sampling time, temperature, and sampling quantity. And at the time of sampling from supplier tanker, tanker chamber, access file sampling, and sampling method and devices being used. So they have identified the reasons for the variation in the results. Most of these results, most of these findings were related to the sampling process only. Then composition of molasses, I will not go in details of this. This pentose, xylose, and aragonase. Somebody was asking about what are different types of other sugars present in the molasses. Then microbial count. These details I will not go into details because I am going to deal with this reasons for variation from lab to lab variation or day to day variation in the results of the different laboratories or even in the sugar factory laboratories.